everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Code's Arcade. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the four pillars in Python under OOPS concept, that is abstraction. So today I'm going to talk about abstraction, what is abstraction and why abstraction is important, and what is abstract base class and what is abstract method. And I'll also explain you guys a simple program on abstraction. So now let me start with what do you mean by this abstraction. Here abstraction is used to hide the internal functionality of the function from the user. That means the users only interact with the basic implementation of the function, but the inner working will be hidden, and user is also familiar with that what function does, but they don't know how it does, right? And in simple words, by taking the real life example, we can say that let's take the example of TV remote. In our daily life, we use TV, right? We used to watch TV. So when we use the TV remote to increase the volume, we don't know how pressing a key increases the volume of the TV, right? We only know to press the plus button to increase the volume and that minus button to decrease the volume. We don't know the internal functionality of that remote, right? We can also take the another example, let's say smartphone. We all use the smartphone and we are very much familiar with its function, such as camera, voice recorder and also call dialing. But we don't know how these operations are happening in the background. We just keep on using them daily, but we don't know how these operations are happening in the background. So this is how the abstraction works in OOPS, in object-oriented programming. So this is about abstraction. Now what do you mean by this abstract method? Before moving to abstract method, and one more thing is why this abstraction is important. So in Python, an abstraction is used to hide the irrelevant data. So in order to reduce the complexity. The first point is it reduces the complexity and it also enhances the efficiency. So these are the 2 points where we can say abstraction is important. And what is this abstract method and abstract base class? Abstract method is a method which has only declaration but not a definition. We will not be having any definition, but we have only declaration. That is called abstract method, and the class which have abstract method is called abstract base class. So in Python, a class that consists of one or more abstract method is called the abstract base class. So I will be explaining a simple program on abstraction so that you will be more clear with this concept. So this is a simple program on abstraction. This is the abstraction program, and in Python actually by default doesn't support abstract class. So to achieve abstract class, we need to import ABC, that is ABC abstract base class. So in this program, what I did here is we have imported the ABC module. Here we have imported the ABC module. From ABC, import ABC module and also abstract method. So we have imported the ABC module to create the ABC class, right? Then we created the car class that inherited the ABC class. See here we have created the class car that inherited the ABC class, and here the method name is mileage. This is the abstract method, mileage. And then we have inherited the base class from the 3 different subclasses. These are the 3 different subclasses: class Tesla, class Suzuki, class BMW. These are the 3 subclasses, and this is the base class, class car, and the method name is same, mileage, and here also that is mileage and mileage. And here we are using the print statement, and then after that we have created the objects to call the abstract method. This is the object C1 is equal to Tesla. This is the class name, and this C1 dot mileage, this is the method name. So we have created the object here C1, C2 and C3. And now if I run this, see here the mileage is 40 km per hour, and here 30 km, and here 35 km. So this is the simple program on abstraction. So as I said before, Python by default doesn't support abstract class. We have to import ABC class abstract method. From ABC, import ABC and abstract method. So this is all about abstraction, guys. Stay tuned for the next video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Thank you.